Additive Manufacturing magazine is the publication reporting on, dedicated to, the advance of industrial 3D printing. We cover 3D printing technology and application, the ways that 3D printing is succeeding for manufacturers, and the promise that manufacturers see in it. We speak to leading manufacturers. We speak to the companies at all sizes that are on the forefront of fundamental manufacturing change and looking forward. We speak to today's additive manufacturing users and tomorrow's users as well, the ones who are paying close attention to the technology and getting ready to invest. We don't limit our coverage to any particular sector. We cover applications in polymer, in metal, other materials as well. Additive manufacturing is the broadest industrial category. It is having an effect on practically every sector, every industry. So we allow one sector to learn from the successes of others. We tell the kinds of stories that reveal not just how a 3D printed part is made, but the ways that additive manufacturing is changing products, enterprises, markets, industries. Additive Manufacturing is the magazine about manufacturing's transformation. A subscription is free to executives and leaders overseeing manufacturing organizations. AdditiveManufacturing.media/subscribe.